I don't know, I feel like they figured that women are more fashionable than men, you feel me? Like they got more drip or whatever. Like the leather on these is amazing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video for y'all, man. So first and foremost, if you guys are new to the channel, go down and hit the subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below what else you guys want to see. But anyways, we are back today with another shoe review, and if you guys don't already know the shoe, it's already in the title. Y'all can tell by the box. It's the Jordan 1 Silver Toe. It's a women's shoe, therefore the shoe came in this red box with the black Nike lettering. I think that's just because like it's reversed. Like usually Jordan 1 boxes come in the black box with the red lettering, but it's a women's shoe, so it is reversed. Unfortunately, I did not get a lot of pairs of these. Usually I get my fair share of Jordans, but this release was it was kind of weird. Like a lot of stores had them pushed back for a further release date, and then other stores just released them, but they say they're still getting late shipments. And it's also a women's Jordan 1, so the sizing went from, like, usually, you know, Jordan 1s have grade school and men. There was no grade school and men. It just went from size 5.5 women or 5 women to size 12 women. So in men's sizes, that's 4 or 3.5 to 10.5. And that limits a lot more sneakers being produced, you know what I'm saying? But there was still a good amount of these. I ended up only getting 2 pairs, and yeah, that's my story. I wasn't able to get my size for the on foot just because like the bigger sizes in women's shoes are super hard to get because everybody going after them. So I wasn't able to get a 10.5 to get you guys a review. This right here is a 9.5. And yeah, it's a 9.5 women. And then the color code on these read Women's Air Jordan 1 High OG Black / Black Metallic Silver. So yeah, let's just take the top off the Maybach, you feel me? And inside the box it has the regular tissue, white tissue paper, and let's lift it down. Woo! So first impression of looking at this shoe in person. First impression of looking, yeah, right here we have the silver toe. Taking it out the box, it is a pretty clean shoe. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this right here is a pretty clean Jordan 1. It follows the gold toe patterning. The gold toe pair that released before in men was patent leather. This one is pure leather, and I feel like, yo, the leather be more buttery on women's Jordan 1s than regular Jordan 1s for some reason. I guess, like, I don't know, I feel like they figured that women are more fashionable than men, you feel me? Like they got more drip or whatever. Like the leather on these is amazing. Same thing with the other ones. It's like smooth ass leather, nice soft leather. And then the ones they come out with, the men's pairs, just be like whack, bro. That should be like hard as hell, like just plasticky leather, bro. This right here is really good leather, to say the least. But I'm gonna give you guys a quick little b-roll, then we'll go into the colorway breakdown and the material breakdown, man. So let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the b-roll, as you guys can see, the colorway on this shoe follows like a bread toe, or like I said, the gold toe colorway, but it's in silver. So basically the toe box is in this metallic silver, followed by the black leather going around the toe, and then the mid panel on this is white with a black swoosh. The heel is in the metallic silver, and so is the panel, the Wings logo panel right here. The Wings logo is in black. Let me fix the light a little bit because, you know, it's making it too bright. If it focuses, bang, Wings logo right there. And then the back of it is black by the black sock liner. And this sock liner right here and the inside is not your regular like material that comes in Jordan 1s. Usually back here it's just like knitted and it's kind of like rough. This right here is like soft, like soft leather. It might even be like satin, bro. This is the same material that was on the satin shattered backboards that released. Like, this material is fire. That's just to say the least. And it follows with black laces and a black tongue with Nike Air in metallic silver right here. The outsole on these is black with the midsole being white, and it comes with an extra pair of metallic silver laces, man. So yeah, that was just you know, quick colorway breakdown. And the leather, like I said, on this shoe that makes up most of the material is fire. Super soft, super buttery, way better than the men's pairs that they've been releasing recently. Now, as for sizing on these, I would suggest going true to size. I personally believe women's size shoes fit a little snug. Usually Jordan 1s fit a little bit big, so I would suggest going, so that makes like the perfect thing. So I would suggest going true to size on these. So if you're a 9, please just get that 9, man. And it's women's sizing, so whatever size you are in men is plus 1.5. So for you females out there, y'all don't gotta worry, y'all size, you feel me? They did this for y'all. But if you're a men and you need a size 9 men, you have to get a 10.5 women. It's just whatever size you are plus 1.5. Unfortunately, I don't have my size, so I'm not gonna be bringing it in on feet for you guys. I could lace these up and try to like sneak my foot in there, but why do that, man? Why do that? If I do come across my size, I'm gonna drop a later video with it on feet, and I'll just drop that for you guys too. Y'all get 2 videos, you feel me? And now, to wrap things up, I'm gonna give you guys the resale prediction and my final opinions, man. Now, as for resale on this sneaker, right now the sneaker is doing really well, and usually like women's Jordan 1s don't do that well off jump, and then they go up. You guys can see from NC to Chicago, that colorway is not as good looking as this one, so definitely this shoe has more potential. But just look at the blue chills, the patent leather blue chills that came out, the UNC joints that they had strictly for women. That shoe went skyrocketed, and I personally think that this will do the same. Right now it's reselling for a pretty good amount. Retail is 170 plus tax, so you're coming out to like 185 in New York. But on the market, resale is like 300 right now, so you know, you still making bread on this shoe, like easy bread, you feel me? I do think when pairs start coming in and more pairs start arriving through the mail and stores start releasing their late shipments, price is gonna drop a little bit, so probably around like 250. I would say just cop them up, hold them, and it's a pretty looking shoe, I'm not gonna lie. And that leads perfectly into my final opinion. It's a pretty looking shoe, man. I personally wouldn't wear it because I just have so many Jordan 1s. My biggest pet peeve about women's Jordan 1s is that the laces that they give, it's not really like the flat black laces, a little bit rounded, and I don't really like that. I like my flat black laces and or white laces or whatever color laces that are in Jordan 1s. But that's my only pet peeve. Everything else about this shoe is better than the men's Jordan 1, and it's probably one of the best colorways to come out in the recent years. This shoe kind of reminds me of the All-Star game Jordan 1s that came out in 2017. I have that chameleon colorway. This one is just in silver. That one was like a chameleon, like blue greenish. That shit is fire. But yeah, man, that wraps up this video. Now, like I said, if you guys want to resell it, I would suggest copying them and then holding them for, you know, a longer period of time. But yeah, good looking shoe for y'all women out there. I would suggest picking this up, man. And that wraps up this video. Comment down below you guys' opinions on this shoe right here, how you guys like the look, what you guys think about the materials. And yeah, man, it's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. I'm out.